Today I'm going to show you a quick and effective way to trim audio using VLC Media Player. If you've ever found yourself wanting to cut out just a specific part of a song, podcast, or recording, maybe you want an intro for a project, a ringtone, or to save only the good part, VLC makes it surprisingly easy, no extra apps required. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to save any audio section you like, with a neat little file you can use wherever you want. Alright, let's get started. First things first, open up VLC Media Player. If you don't have it installed, it's completely free and works on almost every system. Once VLC is open, load up the audio file you want to trim. You can just drag and drop the file into VLC or use Media, then Open File from the top left corner. Now, before we do any trimming, we need more control over VLC's features. Head up to the top menu, click on View, and then select Advanced Controls. This will add a new row of buttons right above your usual play, pause, and skip controls. You'll see a red record button appear. This is what lets us manually capture any part of the audio as it plays. Having these advanced controls up is essential so we can record the exact audio segment we want to keep. Here's a step that's optional, but I really recommend it for peace of mind. Set where your trimmed audio file will be saved. Trust me, nothing is more annoying than searching for a file you just created. To set this up, go to Tools in the top menu and click Preferences. Alternatively, you can just press Ctrl+P. Once the Preferences window pops up, find Input/Codecs. Sometimes it's called just Input depending on your VLC version. Scroll down to the Files section until you see Record Directory or File Name. Click Browse, pick a folder where you want VLC to save your trimmed audio and hit Save. Now when you trim, your file won't disappear into the unknown corners of your computer. Next, let's find the exact part of the audio you want to keep. Use the playback slider to scrub through, and if you want to be super precise, try the frame-by-frame button to inch forward, especially if you're trimming a spoken word file or music where timing really matters. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to nail the starting point. Take your time here, think of it as fine-tuning your favorite photo before you crop it. Now you're ready to capture your trimmed section. Simply click the record button, the red circle, to start recording. Basically, VLC is creating a new audio file starting from this moment. Let the audio play until you reach the endpoint of the section you want. When you get there, click the record button again to stop. That's it. VLC saves this new segment as a standalone audio file in the folder you specified, and you're done. You've just trimmed an audio clip using VLC, no complicated editing programs needed. This method works for music, interviews, lectures, anything you want to condense or clip out. It's a practical trick for making ringtones, removing dead air, or just keeping the highlights. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want more tips on media editing. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy how-tos. There's always another trick to learn. Thanks for watching.